Swati Vaishnav. I work for MNC and I've been working as a business analyst in BFSI domain. To enroll in this program, the motto was to understand how the business analyst career graph would go ahead. And I think with this campus immersion, the insight that the vision that I had is actually now visible to me. How do you think about the product? How do you sell it to the people? And what are the various psychologies that are involved? And I think the cherry on the cake was being the first competition we had. And so I think I had a wonderful personal connects, made good friends, and everybody was a stranger when we started, but now I think I have a group of friends, somewhere around 40 plus now that I'm taking with myself. So yeah, very happy, and thank you organizers for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.